are your scales going?
Good.
Good. Now, Rachel, I need you to do this at home. Karate chop here for 2 seconds at the end. Yes. Because what you're doing on a lot of your last notes is you're letting it drop off. So we need to go. Arts. Good. Okay. Arts. Your turn.
Arts.
Good. Arts.
Arts.
Good. Just push the top trill away. Arts.
Oh, sorry, do that again.
Arts.
Arts.
Good. Rachel, just watch this. We're going up like that. He's not going to help you out. Just watch that there a little bit if we can. Arts. Posture straight.
Arts.
That's it. Rachel, think the sound's going into your soft palate. That's where you think you want it to go. Instead of lifting like this, if you feel you're going to lift, feel it's going into your uvula. Arts.
Arts.
Nice. We just want to hold that last note nice and straight and steady like that. That's perfect. Okay. Arts.
Arts.
All right, cool.